$13,000 for nothing, for free. All right, guys, today we have an important talk. Probably this is going to be one of the most important videos you will ever watch on how to make money online, how to make money with affiliate marketing, etc. Because the things are changing pretty rapidly. So today I'm going to give you probably one of the best strategies that you can use in the next few months and even years in advance. And you're already watching this video, which tells me that you already know that you want to make money with affiliate marketing because you've tested, let's say, Amazon FBA, e-commerce, dropshipping, etc., which are not bad models, but they're more difficult. I personally have a dropshipping and e-commerce brands as well. Why these are more difficult? Because they require you to invest upfront money. You have to buy the products, then you have to ship the products, pack the products in nice packaging, then you have to ship them to the customers, then you have to actually talk with the customers. And in other words, it's a lot of hassle. Whereas with affiliate marketing, you don't have to do any of that. You don't have to talk with customers. You don't have to have your own product. You don't have to pack this product. You don't have to ship products to the customers, and you don't have to invest money upfront. Here is the number one thing you should do right now, right after you finish watching this video, if you want to start making money as soon as possible. This is my number one advice that I give to people, because I see a lot of folks out there, probably 99% of the people, 90.999% of the people out there are getting this wrong, which is once they figure out that they want to do affiliate marketing, the second step they take, the wrong step, is they start to focus on the product, on the offer. Oh, what offer should I promote? What product should I pick? What niche should I pick? Which is the wrong approach. Or what design should I get? Listen, you can have the best product on planet Earth, the best. But if you don't have people who are willing to buy this product, you don't have shit. You don't have anything. So rule number one, don't focus on the product. Don't focus on the offer. Focus on bringing people, bringing traffic. This is in our slang, digital marketing slang. Audience means traffic. And this is the purpose of today's video, to show you the number one most important thing when it comes to not only affiliate marketing, but any type of marketing, any type of businesses. You need people, you need audience, you need traffic before anything else, before creating a product, before finding an offer, before anything else. And the second advice, which is again very important, is to focus on one thing at a time, period. We have so many shiny objects out there, and I've been there. Today you're doing this, tomorrow you're doing that, the next day you're doing something different. You have to focus on one thing and one thing only. And this is what I've done in the past. And trust me, I've had the shiny object syndromes. I've been to many places. I've been trying different websites, different offers, different business models. Never worked out until I focused on one thing and one thing only. For example, I created a blog, and this blog was related to health and fitness. And I've spent 3 months of my time creating the blog, writing blog posts, finding images, etc., etc. So 3 months I've spent of my time only on this blog. That was back in the day. Now it's way easier than you think. And I'm going to show you actually right now. I'm going to share my screen. So actually, let me share it right now. We see my screen here. And what is that? We have TikTok. Now, in TikTok, this is no matter what age you are, no matter where in the world you are, you can create a TikTok account. You don't even have to create the videos yourself. You don't have to upload videos yourself. You don't have to be in the videos yourself. But what I've seen other people are doing, and what we do in my company, we create a simple automated so-called TikTok accounts, and we crop other people's videos, upload them to our accounts, to get the traffic. And once we have the traffic, once we have the audience, then we can start promoting affiliate products from ClickBank or e-commerce or whatever products you might want. So let me show you how easy it is. But again, it takes time. It's not going to happen overnight, but trust me, once you bring the audience, it's game over. You're going to be milking that cow, man. So in TikTok, what I did, I typed millionaire mindset to show you how easy it is. And now I found this account. So this one, the first one that pops up, it's called Modern Millionaire whatever. So I opened it on a new tab. So let's see. Boom. So what we have here, this is account not dedicated to any person, any personal brand or profile. As you can see, the account is very broad, Modern Millionaires Club. These guys, or one guy or one girl, I don't know how many are they, or are they many, or just one person who is running this account, but they have 34,000 followers so far. All of their videos don't even include speech. It's just text and some footage that they took from other videos. So let's see one of the clips they have. For example, let's see this one. Music, text, this is the best feeling. Boom. Boom. Just footage and just a little bit of text on top, and that's it. You see? That's how easy it is to create these videos. You don't have to be a professional videographer or video editor. I'm going to show you in just a second how you can create such clips in seconds, not minutes, not hours, not days, in seconds. So how this account is making money? They have 34,000 followers and they have a link in their biography here. So when I click this link, let me open it on a new tab. We probably are going to be redirected to either an affiliate offer or a product. So let's see what they sell. Start making money online. Step-by-step guide, so we can click learn how. There we go. And what they sell, step 1, choose a business. Okay, so they have a bunch of products, 40 bucks, 20 bucks, 29 bucks. So basically they sell these products, and I'm guessing they would have an upsell or downsell on the back end to increase their average order value, AOV, in digital marketing terms. So I don't know if this is an affiliation or their own products, but anyways, you see how the system works. So let's say 10% of their followers buy these products. They're going to be making thousands of dollars. But hey, let's calculate something. So let's say not even 10%, not even 5%. Let's say just 1% out of these 34,000 people buy one product. So let me pull up my calculator here. So let's say just 1%, 0.0, oops, let's delete that, 0.01% times 34,000 people. This is 1% is 340 people. So if 340 people buys a product for, let's say, 40 bucks times 40 bucks, these people are going to be making $13,000. $13,000 for nothing, for free. And guess what? This is very, very, very minimal calculation. I know a person who has an account which is similar to Millionaires Club with 1 million followers with the similar videos. And on top of that, you can find more paying offers on ClickBank. For example, this is ClickBank, clickbank.com, a marketplace for affiliates. Here I have business category and investing, and I can find different offers that are way more payable than these offers that they have here. So they have products for 20 bucks, 40 bucks, and in ClickBank, we can find products for $100, for $500. Imagine if 1% of these 34,000 people buy a product for 500 bucks. That's pretty good amount of money, I would say. Now, how do you create these videos? Well, I use a simple software, which is AI, artificially intelligent software called Pictory. Probably you've seen it in my other videos. One of the greatest softwares. Basically, Pictory will create these videos for you based on keywords. What I mean by that is Pictory AI.ai. Let me log in here real quick so I can show you how it's done. Now, when you first log in, this is what you're going to see, all these 4 sections. So I'm going to show you how to use them. But what else we're going to use is ChatGPT. This is the artificial intelligent robot that is going to help us create the videos. So how we're going to be using ChatGPT before we jump over to Pictory. In ChatGPT, we want titles that are related to, let's say, our topic. In our case, we're going to be using topics such as making money online, etc. And in here, in the search box, I'm going to ask the bot to write me motivational quotes about manifesting money. So write me 5 motivational quotes about making money, let's say. And like that. So let's write me 5 motivational quotes. Hit enter. Let's see. Money is like oxygen. It's only really important when you don't have any. Zig Ziglar. Okay. If you don't like these quotes, you can always click this regenerate a response button and the tool will write more quotes for you. Let's go with the second one. The only way to do great work is to love what you do. So I'm going to copy this one. So you're going to see how simple it is. This is Steve Jobs. Copy this. Go back to Pictory. The first section where it says script to video, click proceed. And I'm going to paste just this script. It's just a couple of sentences, in our case, 1 or 2. And then I'm going to click proceed. And now we're going to use a template. Let's say this one. You can choose whatever you want. So this one, select. Now 19 by 16, this is the TikTok video format. Click that, continue. And the software will actually make the video for you and you don't have to touch it at all. Boom. As you can see, and it actually created sceneries here down below that are related to the only way to do great work. These are the scenes, as you can see, scene 1, 2, 3, and 4. And now, if you don't like the footages that the software suggested for you, you can always go to visuals here at the left corner, click visuals, and you can change all the scenes with footages you want. For example, I want money. I want to show money. So I'm going to click money, hit enter here at the search, and I can see all this money. And I can literally click scene number 1, and then I click someone who is counting money. So let's do that. Click, and boom, we've changed the video with counting money. So I have another video in which I'm explaining step by step how to work with Pictory. It's very easy, but I'm gonna link it down in the description below because I don't want to waste time here for this now because I have some other stuff to show you. But that's basically how you create a TikToks with Pictory. The first way, and the second way, which is actually more powerful, is to grab other people's videos. And how you do that, let's go back to Pictory here at the homepage. Look what it says here, article to video. So we can literally paste the URL from other people's videos and Pictory will crop it for us. And this is how we repurpose videos. So if we go on YouTube and I type business motivation tips, business motivation, let's see like that. We can see all of these videos of other people. We can take these videos and I can literally, let's see this one, Brian Tracy. I'm going to select this video. So I already clicked it, I think, or I haven't. So let's click this, click pause, and I'm going to copy this URL, copy this, go back to Pictory, and I'm literally going to paste this video URL right here in this box. There we go. Click proceed, boom. Again, very powerful software. And again, I'm going to link a full video tutorial on how to use the maximum out of Pictory because, like I said, very useful software and it's free actually. You can use it for free. Now, always when you grab other people's videos in your TikTok account, always leave a email or contact. So if people see their videos and they don't like you sharing them, they can always contact you to take these videos down. Most of the people will not do it because you're, after all, sharing their own videos. So you're expanding their reach. And it's a win-win situation where you gain followers, you make money, and you're also expanding their brand. And if you want to be 100% sure that no one is going to take your videos down, I'm allowing you to distribute my own videos. So if you type Ross Minchev here, I'm literally giving you away for free like all these videos. So you can literally go on my channel, grab any of my videos where I teach marketing, landing page design, business tips, etc. And just crop them and use them. The only requirement I have for you is I'm not asking about money. I'm not going to ask for percentage of your money when you start making money. The only thing I'm asking you to just give me a credit in your description or somewhere. After all, I've made these videos, so I would really appreciate it if you do that. I would be happy to see my content seen by more people, which will give me some more exposure to more people. So respectively, I can even help more people. And I'm pretty pumped when I see comments on my YouTube videos. You can see them for yourself from people telling me that I've changed their lives. You cannot imagine the feeling when you see a person telling you that I am the reason they're making thousands of dollars every single week and every single month. I cannot describe you this feeling. That's why actually I changed my attitude towards my videos and my content. Before I used to be very strict about my content. I used to be like, no one can have my content. It's only me and myself. But you can do this with any other influencer. So let's say for some reason you don't like me. You don't like Ross Minchev. That's fine. I'm not going to judge you. Let's say you like Grant Cardone. So just type Grant Cardone here. And what I would do is I would just send him an email or comment somewhere below his videos and ask him, hey, Grant, I really love your content. Can I distribute it on your content on TikTok so more people can see your content? And like I said, after all, it's a win-win situation where you're growing an audience and you're also growing Grant Cardone's brand. So it's a totally win-win situation. And in the most cases, 99% of the cases, all these influencers will say yes, no problem, distribute my content. And if they say no, that's fine. You jump to the next influencer. So if I have to recap, to summarize, two very important lessons from this video. First, most important, don't focus on a product or affiliate offer. Focus on one thing. This is the audience, and traffic. And second lesson is focus on one thing at a time. Focus on one niche, one thing at a time. Spend a month, 2 months, 3 months, 5 months, make it work, and then you can jump to the next one, to the next endeavor. And that's how you make a lot of money. And this is how most of the successful people have done it. And this is how I actually cracked the code in the first time. Many, many years ago, I worked 18 hours a day on one thing only. Back in the day was lead generation, so I was generating leads with my business partner. And after 3 months working non-stop, I mean, literally, we were living in one house, we were sleeping next to each other, and we were working 18 hours a day. We would just have some meal, go to sleep, stand up, wake up, go to the computers. The computers were in the same room. So it just from the bed to the computer, from the computer to the bed. And after 3 months, we've cracked the code and we started netting $5,000 each and every single day. And I cannot describe you the feeling of making $5,000 a day, not a month, a day. And before that, I used to deliver pizza. So you can imagine. Now, guys, I would appreciate if you like this video, and I would also appreciate if you hit the subscribe button. Of course, if you like the content. But other than that, I'm going to list some of my private trainings down in the description below if you want to check it out, because I teach people privately. I have students, and I'm not trying to sell you anything. Yes, it's a paid program, but it's a very robust and it's step-by-step program on how to go from zero to a couple of $1,000s a month with affiliate marketing and ClickBank. Links to that are going to be down in the description below. With that being said, I really appreciate your time, and I will see you in my next video. Cheers.